Today we delve into the world of e-commerce with a comparison between two powerful tools, Sale Samurai and Alura. Sale Samurai, known for its robust keyword research and competitor tracking, is a go-to for Amazon sellers seeking to optimize their listings. On the other hand, Alura shines with its simplicity, offering an intuitive interface tailored for beginners venturing into online retail. The variables to be discussed today include features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternatives.
Let's take a look at these tools' main features. Sale Samurai features include intelligent pipeline management. Sale Samurai offers advanced pipeline management capabilities, allowing users to visualize and track sales processes from lead generation to conversion. Automated email sequences. With Sale Samurai, users can automate email outreach and follow-up sequences, saving time and ensuring consistent communication with prospects. Customizable reporting. Sale Samurai provides customizable reporting tools, enabling users to analyze sales performance metrics to make data-driven decisions. Integration with third-party apps. Sale Samurai seamlessly integrates with popular third-party apps and tools, enhancing its functionality and adaptability to existing workflows.
Alura features include simplified keyword research. Alura streamlines keyword research, making it accessible for users of all skill levels. Intuitive dashboard. Its user-friendly interface makes navigating and utilizing its features a breeze. Product performance analysis. Alura provides insights into product performance, aiding users in making informed decisions. Listing suggestions. Alura offers personalized listing suggestions to enhance product visibility and sales. When it comes to pricing, Sale Samurai offers a tiered subscription model starting at $29 per month for basic features, while Alura provides a straightforward plan at $19 per month, making it more budget-friendly for beginners. However, Sale Samurai's higher tiers unlock more advanced features, catering to established sellers with varying needs. While Sale Samurai boasts extensive features, its interface may be overwhelming for newcomers, whereas Alura's user-friendly design ensures a smooth learning curve and pleasant experience for beginners. Sale Samurai offers advanced features like in-depth keyword research and competitor tracking, making it ideal for experienced Amazon sellers. However, its steep learning curve and higher pricing for advanced plans may be daunting for beginners. On the other hand, Alura provides a simplified interface and affordable pricing, catering to newcomers in the e-commerce space. Yet, its limited advanced features and less robust analytics might not meet the needs of more seasoned sellers. Alternatives to Sale Samurai and Alura include Helium 10 and Jungle Scout, which offer similar functionalities tailored to various user preferences and business needs. In conclusion, Sale Samurai is ideal for experienced sellers seeking advanced features. Don't forget to explore the links in the description to sign up for your preferred software and subscribe to EasyInternet for more tips.